kay Sniper manifesting.
Thank you, Lord.
Hindi kami manalo. Ina mo yung mukha ni Kuya Ryan, tingnan mo yung mukha ko.
Wala akong magagawa dyan, be.
Fish, big fish, don't bugbog me, okay? Don't bugbog me again.
Only time can tell. Jay, only time can tell. Natapi.
Bugbog.
Hala! Oh,
Walatik. Write the name, lakahan nyo, Big Inday. Big Inday. Inday. Big
3,000. Ha?
Wala! For the first time in forever! Hala! Hala! Ate Inday!
Inday ba?
Makikita mo yung pangalan. Sana o. Makikita mo yung pangalan. Makikita mo, dapat 3. Hindi. Dapat ka pag-abot ng 5K. Panda. Si Big Fish.
Patap sa screen si Miss Inday. Patap mo sa screen. Gusto niya makita yung name.
Ate Inday, tap your name, Ate Inday. Tap your name. Tap your screen, Ate Inday. Inday, tap na para masulat pangalan mo sa noo. Hi, Kuya James.
Thank you, Jonathan.
Wait. I want
How are you doing, singing?
Ate Inday, tap your Ate Inday para makita daw ni Big Fish.
Lana po.
I-N.
I-N-D-A-Y.
Thank you, Jonathan.
Big Fish. Big Fish. Yan. Look at my Look at here.
Thank you, Lord.
N D
Jonathan.
Ate Inday, ang laki ng pangalan mo! Gorda, go! Oh my God, Ate Inday! Ito na tayo sa ibang bansa. Yung pangalan mo nakarating ibang bansa. Ate Inday, yung pangalan mo nakarating ibang bansa Guys, tunos Kuya Daniel, thank you so much. Tapos na naman ate ko. Guys, tunos! Inday, yan. Siya, naka-under pa sa nyo Kilay.
Oo naman.
Hi, Jack.
Guys, we need
One
roses
rose again.
Thank you, Mr. Harry.
Guys, 1 rose again. Hala, tinda! Ate Inday, thank you.
Surname, are you still our surname?
Kuya Mark Joseph. Bakla. Dire mo ka. Binugbog ako Binugbog
Guys,
ako.
everything is times 2, guys.
Guys, is na times 2.
Everything is times 2. Let's go.
Wala na. Ubus na yung bala namin. Ang galing niya mag-snipe.
Guys, high five!
Sige. Balik ko Ate Inday, gawin tayo para ko. Ate Inday, kakatawa. Thank you so much. More appreciated. Thank you. Kanina, ako binubugbog niyo
Wait, maaga pa to. Naku, bugbog na ako.
Guys,
Kami. Nabawi. Pinapadala yung pangalan ni Ate Inday sa ibang bansa.
Oh, South Africa.
Kuya Daniel, thank you so much.
South Africa. Nakapunta ng South Africa yung pangalan ni Miss Inday.
Yeah.
Ako, Thailand.
Para sa Anak, hindi ko talaga Ate Inday.
Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate that. Thank you, Lord, Jonathan.
John, tap John.
Okay, Jonathan. Thank you.
Ang lakas talaga ni Jay.
Ay, si Ate Inday malakas, hindi ako. Binugbog muna tao. Ate Inday, bago siya lumaban, pinaubos yung bala ng kabila. Pinaubos niya yung bala ng kabila, tsaka naman siya ngayon.
Good, very good.
Hi, Ray. Welcome.